What's up, guys? I'm here at the 99 Ranch location in Irvine, California to get some holiday treats for Wanchungjie. That's Halloween in Chinese. What are we waiting for? Let's go!
I know these are technically snacks, but they're delicious. Let's go! Vanilla, green tea, strawberry, chocolate. Oh man, these 乳酸风味果冻条 yogurt jelly sticks, these things are really good. Plus, they have 4 kinds of lactic acid bacteria.
4. Try.
But seriously guys, these are really good. You wanna try these. And these.
Back at the studio, I can take off my mask. Oh, jeez. Oh, man. Okay. I'm a dork. Anyway, moving on. I was getting ready to dive into this pile of delicious goodies.
So much sugar.
When I realized, wait a minute. This video's for Wanchungjie. Where's my costume?
Let's try some candy.
First on the list is the newest product from Jinjin Jelly, Jinjin Yogurt Jelly Sticks. These tantalizing treats combine the goodness of creamy yogurt flavor with the sweetness of jelly. Jinjin yogurt are especially delicious frozen. Place them in the freezer overnight for maximum effect.
Cold, like my blood.
Plus, with no added colors, they're even better than you think.
How true.
Just one taste and you'll see why it's beloved by customers of all ages.
Little sweet, little yogurty, good stuff.
I'm pretty passionate about this next product. That's because Jinjin Jelly's passion fruit jelly is perfectly delectable. Delicious passion fruit mixed bite by bite with that classic Jinjin jelly taste that's been cultivated over the decades. It's no wonder it's so good.
Very refreshing.
Passion fruit may be delicious, but we've got a dynamic duo that's just as delectable. Coconut lychee. The combo of creamy coconut with the natural flavor of sweet lychee is enough to make your heart sing. An important note, these jelly cups contain actual chunks of coconutty goodness inside. Make sure to watch your little ones to be sure they're eating it slow and safe. Jinjin Jelly also makes delicious egg pudding cups. These mini custard cups are filled with the creaminess of a richer dessert. It's even got the smell and taste of a real custard. Overall, a select choice for some jam and jelly anytime.
Delicious.
With all these unique jelly flavors, it's easy to forget classic Jinjin Jelly sticks. Sweet and refreshing, you'll know why they've been enjoyed for decades after just one taste. They're classics. Jelly has quite the life in Taiwan and Asia, and you can see why. The huge variety of flavors make for endless Jinjin Jelly treats. Now it's time for more delicious Halloween candies, 99 Ranch style. Coffee candy is super popular in Asia. Today we are going to try Tuanguang Sumiyaki coffee candy.
Do you know how to say coffee in Chinese? Cafe.
It's got a nice sweet coffee flavor with no hint of milk to cover up that cafe taste. Just good, strong coffee.
Who needs blood when you have them?
White Rabbit, or Da Bai Tu, is a classic Chinese favorite. These are creamy sweet, filling your mouth with a delicious milk candy flavor, almost like a vanilla bean Tootsie Roll.
Creamy vanilla.
We talked about lychee jelly, but what about lychee candy? Japanese company Kasugai makes a delicious hard lychee candy.
私は自分一人で少し日本語を勉強しました。はい。
They're not too sweet since they use real sugar, and are the perfect cap-off for a meal. Or other Halloween candies. Or other lychee candies. It all works.
I'm not picking that up. It's for other people to do.
I know they aren't technically candy, but you know I had to say goodbye to hunger and hello to Hello Panda. Coming in chocolate, strawberry, vanilla, and even green tea and caramel, these thin biscuits burst open to fill your mouth with the creamy flavor of your choice. Without a doubt, they're absolutely delicious every time. With all these amazing flavors, the real question is, which is best? The answer? You decide. Post your favorite candy from 99 Ranch in the comments below. Well, that's our review of the candies and jellies here at 99 Ranch Market. While we've shown a couple here, it really is just the tip of the iceberg. Browse 99 Ranch Market's huge selection of candies, jello, and treats in-store or online at 99ranch.com to get a real taste of the sweetness we have to offer. That's it for this week. I'm your host, Yuelong. Happy Halloween, or 万圣节, and we'll see you in-store or online again soon. 再见!